Okay, we're going to look at another problem, calculations in equilibrium. For our given information, we're given the reaction bromine as a gas, reacting with chlorine as a gas in equilibrium with two bromide chlorides as a gas system. And we're given a Kc equal to 7.0, and we're given the volume is equal to 1 liter. The moles of Br2 is equal to the moles of Cl2, and that is equal to 0.25. And we are asked for the concentration of all of the components at equilibrium. So Br2 at equilibrium, Cl2 at equilibrium, and the concentration of bromide chloride at equilibrium. All right, so we know it's an equilibrium problem. We're given some initial. We're given a Kc. Hopefully in your head you're thinking, hey, you know what? I think I need an ice table because it's an equilibrium problem. Okay, they were nice to us and gave us 1 liter. Remember, the values in the ice table have to be molarity or partial pressures. Okay, but since it's one volume, 1 liter for the volume, the initial concentrations are just the 0.25 moles per liter. It's implied that I don't have any product to start. Since I don't have any product, hopefully you can say that the system is going to shift to the products to attain or achieve equilibrium. When it does that, I'm going to react the same number of moles of bromine and chlorine, and I'm going to make twice as many moles of the bromide chloride. Remember that those relationships come from the stoichiometry of the equation. So at equilibrium, my concentration of the bromide is 0.25 minus x, chloride is 0.25 minus x, and I get 2x for the bromine chloride. I can't make any assumptions because my Kc is too large. It's a 7. It's not going to work. All right, so what is my expression for my Kc? Well, it's BrCl concentration squared times the concentration of bromine times the concentration of the chloride. I'm going to plug in my value. 7.0 is equal to 2x squared, and this will be 0.25 minus x times 0.25 minus x. If you factor everything, one of the intermediate steps I get is 4375 minus 3.5x plus 7, oops, sorry, hang on, 7x squared equal to 4x squared. Then my quadratic equation, 3x squared minus 3.5x plus 0.4375 equal to 0. Using the quadratic equation, I end up with 3.5 plus or minus 2.65 over 6, which gives me 0.14 or 1.025. This is not realistic because if I subtract that from 0.25, I'd get a negative number. That doesn't make any sense. So it can't be that number, so it's got to be the x is equal to 0.15. You could also graph that, by the way. All right, so plugging that back in, concentration of bromine is going to be the same as the concentration of chloride. is going to be 0.25 minus x, or 0.25 minus 0.14, which gives me 0.11 molar. Concentration of B bromine chloride is going to be 2x, or 0.24 molar. And if I did the math right, it should be 0.28. Okay, there you have it.